Boom shakalaka, huge volatility incoming for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. It may surprise a lot of people. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, huge volatility incoming, why it's going to surprise a lot of people. Before we get into it, like the video, join us on Twitter with Crypto Love, and of course subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos for 7.5 years. Now today, fear and greed at 72, sideways for a long freaking time. The overall market down 1% today, Bitcoin at 102,578, Ethereum at 3136, and XRP at 309. Now Bitcoin, after breaking out of this wedge, finding support on long-time support trend lines since October. It was support 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. And there's a big day coming soon. You see, the crypto market right now is set for volatility ahead of the FOMC meeting, with the TD sequential indicator flashing sell signals on the hourly charts of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. Look at this. Sell, 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 sell. I feel like Jim Cramer right there. It's a don't buy. Anyways, so while the TD sequential indicator is yelling sell, retail interest right now is dying off, almost as low as May 2021. Guess what happened after that? Bitcoin price doubled in the next few months. Could this be retail capitulation for Bitcoin? Look at the last time. It was not as low as it is right now, but low. Bitcoin price nearly doubled. We're in for some very interesting moves. As a matter of fact, the RSI right now at the same level it was in Q1 of 2024. And guess what? Price went up like 3-4 times since then. So we could be due for a big move. There is the possibility price could move down. But while retail interest is dying off, BlackRock keeps buying more and more Bitcoin. Not only that, but the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve isn't priced in yet. This pump is likely going to be legendary. Now, a lot of people are talking about Bitcoin Strategic Reserve, and I don't think that it is priced in yet because they haven't started buying it yet. And once they start buying it, they'll realize there's just not that much Bitcoin left. Take a look at all these people talking about a Bitcoin Strategic Reserve. We have the Czech National Bank governor plans to propose allocating up to 5% of the country's 146 billion euros into Bitcoin. We have the Kentucky state representative saying he wants to file a Bitcoin strategic reserve bill next week. He wants to make Kentucky the crypto capital of the world. Very far behind, but he can certainly try. South Dakota state representative plans to introduce a bill to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve for the state. And Arizona advancing Strategic Bitcoin Reserve Act, allowing public funds to invest up to 10% in Bitcoin and other digital assets, setting a potential precedent for other states. So that is what? 1 country and 3 states planning a strategic Bitcoin reserve, buying up an asset that has a fixed supply that's ever dwindling. Geez, you think it's going to cause a price pump? Yeah, I agree. Now, with that, Bitcoin has just set itself up pretty perfectly. How could you possibly be bearish? After this resistance turned support line, Bitcoin found support on top of there. Seems like we're headed towards only up territory. As a matter of fact, this month, a couple more days, Bitcoin is testing this blue line on the power law corridor. Each time it has broken through there, we have had a breakout towards the top line this cycle. Prices you could be looking at, depending upon how crazy things get. And with these strategic reserves, if everybody wants Bitcoin and there's just 21 million, I mean, prices could go way above anything we've ever seen. But based on tops we've seen previously, we'd be looking somewhere between $200,000 and $450,000 per Bitcoin this cycle. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter with Crypto Love, and of course, there's an awesome playlist to check out right up there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.